everyone, and welcome back to ASL with Miss Hannah. About 2 weeks ago, we started learning some new words about the outside and spring. So this week, it's nothing different. We're going to learn some new words about nature and a few animals that live in the ground. Are you ready? Do you remember this sign from last week? Good job. Tree. Tree. Do you remember this sign? Grass. Grass, that's right. Now for some new words. This is dirt. Can you rub your fingers together and spread it around? Dirt. Awesome. Now, I know this animal lives in the dirt, but if it rains, they come out. What is it? A worm. Worm. What's this one? A spider, that's right. Just make your spider crawl forward. Looks a little creepy, right? All right, last one. Snake. You just make your snake slither up. Snake. Good job, friends. All right, now we're gonna play a game to help us remember all of our new words.
Go.
Okay, friends, we're ready to play our game. And today we're gonna play a matching game. I have 2 of each card, and then I'm gonna place them all over the board. So 2 dirts, 2 grass, 2 trees, 2 worms, 2 spiders, and 2 snakes. Now let's see if I can match the cards together. Worm. Oh, and a spider. Is that a match? No. A worm. Oh, and a spider. I'm not very good at this game. A worm. And a worm. Let's see if the 2 small cards are a match. Grass. And grass, right? A snake, and another snake. Dirt. We found the other dirt. Tree. What's this? Oh, a spider. We have a tree. A tree. So that means the last 2 cards are a match, right? A spider and a spider. Good job, friends. Thank you for helping me. You can try and play this at home. You just have to ask mom or dad to print some pictures for you. And you can lay them out just like I did and play the game yourself. All right, now we're gonna head outside to do our art project. You ready? Come on. Hi friends, welcome to my backyard. It is snowing outside, but it's not really that cold. But we're gonna do our art project outside today. So I have tape and I have it around my wrist and it's sticky. So we're gonna see what things we can find outside to put on my bracelet. And you can try this when it's warmer outside, okay? Let's see. A leaf. Let's put a couple leaves on there. Maybe a stick. Uh-oh. Put some grass. Some grass. These are big pieces of grass. Oh, one fell off. That's okay. So this is my nature bracelet. When it's warmer outside, you can try it yourself. Okay, we'll go inside my house now and we'll read a story. Come on. Okay, we are back inside my house now and we are ready to read our story. Do you remember last week how I did not use my voice to read the story? I only used my hands. So this week, we're gonna do the same thing. Are you ready?
Hello, little readers. Today we'll be reading Worm Weather by Jean Taft. Drip, drop, skip, and hop. Splish, splash, sidewalk dash. Worm, worm, wiggle, squirm. Worm weather. Coat, hat, rain goes splat. Boots jump, old tree stump. Big stomp, puddle swamp. Mud stop, belly flop. Almost. Dark cloud, very loud. Bright flash, thunder crash. Quick race, pizza place. Drip, dry, pizza pie. Sun pops, drizzle stops. Birds fly, rainbow sky. Run, sing, playground swing. Worm, worm, wiggle, squirm. It's worm weather. The end.
That story is super quick. So, friends, I am excited to see all of you next week. But before we go, I have a few special words that my older friends would like to learn. So if you are about to go into kindergarten, you can continue watching the video. Hello, my almost kindergartners. I'm so excited for all of you to start kindergarten in the fall. So today, I'm going to give you a few words that can help you before you start. In kindergarten, you will learn so many words. And so today, I'm going to give you a few of those words in sign language. Are you ready? This is the word for like. 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 This is the word have. 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 This is the word now. 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 This is the word yes. Yes. This is the word no. No. And this is the word please. Please. Let's try and do all of the words again. Like. I like cats. Like. Have. I have a cat. I have a cat. Have. Now. Now. Now it is spring. Now it is spring. Now. Yes. 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 My name is Hannah. Yes. No. Like, no, thank you. No. And last one. Please. Please. Can I have a cookie? Please. Okay, friends, and if you are still watching the video, I hope you all have an amazing week, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.